demonstration of Lenz law. Lenz law describes that induced EMF or induced current is produced in a coil in such a way that magnetic field produced due to it opposes the very cause. This one is winding wire, very thin, round about 1000 tons. These are iron rods, insulated iron rods, but isolated. Each and every iron rod we have made insulation, so they are electrically isolated. Even they are in touch position to decrease the effect of eddy current. Now we are connecting 220 volt direct supply voltage. So be careful. Safety is first priority. This is aluminium ring with canal. This one is copper wire coil, round about 10 to 15 tons. Now switch on. This is around about 100 gram, but still it lifts very small height without touching. If you change order, the theory behind it, now it is only one coil, little effect, but we place another coil due to mutual interaction, effect becomes greater. The theory behind it, this one is AC 220 volt 50 hertz AC current, so per second 50 cycles are there. At certain time interval, suppose current is in this way, so upper face of this coil becomes north pole, and for this, in this coil ring, induced current is in such a way the down face becomes north pole at that instant, so they repel each other. When in this coil, in primary coil, current becomes this way, that is upper coil becomes south pole. So for this coil, down face becomes south pole at every instant. So every instant it experiences repulsive force, and field is here. Field is like that, this way, this way. So at this location, field ये position में है ऐसे. So this field has two components. One is horizontal, the other is vertical. So here horizontal component is responsible. Horizontal component. In this situation, if the field is horizontal component is this way, current this way, IL cross B, it experiences upward repulsive force. IL cross B, this way. But if we remove and if we place coil midway, so midway is not no horizontal component, so no effect should be there. Switch on. No effect at all. Switch on. Here, but here not effect. No effect. See. No. Because here there is no horizontal component. But it becomes too hot. You can feel, just start. Touch it, बस बंद, touch it. Too much high temperature. Here induced current is there, okay, but field is not there, no other component at all. here. So repulsive force is not there, but here. Just a minute. Break it.